Good morning, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Everybody go and watch the new YouTube video. Can you please go and like it, comment, and yeah, give us some feedback on them, because Hassie spends a lot of time. We're giving you guys some great, valuable, free education as well. So make sure you go and watch it. Just like it up. It costs $0 to do it, and also subscribe if you haven't. See you guys in 7 minutes. Morning, guys. Let's like up the stream. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. See you all in 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Let's get liking up the stream, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 2 more minutes. Let's retweet the stream as well so we get some people in here. Catch you in 2 minutes. Radio, what up, guys? What up, what up, what up? What up to everyone joined? Please, can you do me a favor? I will be going over it and I will be saying it every 5-10 minutes. Please go and watch the new YouTube video. It is free to do so. I'm assuming you guys want to learn and you want to listen and you want to become financially free like myself and many others. We are giving you the secrets. We are teaching you how we do it. It's all on the YouTube videos. Hassie has spent a lot of time going through and making these videos, so you know the best you guys can do is simply just click the like button and also just give us a comment as well. It goes a long way. It appreciates. All right, let's get the questions in. Come on. Lazy people today. I know it's Monday, but let's be excited. You know, we can make some money today. Pre-market has been extremely slow. This week is not looking great because we have CPI, we have PPI. What do we have? Monday we have nothing. Tuesday PPI, Wednesday CPI, Thursday retail sales, unemployment claims, and so on. So it's going to be a busy week. Busy week. Someone has asked me for SES. SES is extremely bearish like the rest of the market, so bearish. So yeah, a lot of things are down. I saw the thing with Bitcoin, the news about Bitcoin, about the global sell-off. So yeah, that's probably also impacting the market just a little bit. All right, GRNQ. I need to change my page. My bad, guys. Sorry. Change my screen now. You can see it. You should be able to see everything. GRNQ, very weird chart. So 228. Yeah, 228 on GRNQ. I don't really like this chart. It's too choppy here. A lot of gap ups and stuff. I don't really know what that price action is. Not my kind of style of trade. Needs 228 break for entries. Right, how many likes we got in here? We got 40 people in here. I know everyone's joining in late this morning. Everyone hasn't had their coffee yet. Late. 10 likes, 40 people. Come on, push the gas. Push the gas. You know? All right, guys. You have 11 likes. Let's go. How many likes we got here? Come on, push the gas. Just waiting. 15 likes. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Right, let's see. DATS. Everybody loves DATS. This stock is a load of trash. It's a pump and dump stock. I know everyone's probably in it because of Trump coming into office. So yeah, it might be a good play, but for me, you know, I'm not really interested in this, but I hope for those who are in it, good luck. If you're looking for entry, 665. So that's needs 665. Break for entries. 665 break for entries on DATS. Anything below is a gamble. I'm not really interested on it. Personally. Evening. CNSP. Let's have a look at CNSP. CNSP is ranging. Nothing on CNSP. Just ranging. Nothing. CNSP just ranging. Then we have ADTX. ADTX is 11%. 2150 is your entry point. So ADTX. ADTX, wait for close above 0.2150 break. So ADTX, wait for this break above here. You see this resistance? Break above here, entry. JBDI. Just going through some Twitter posts here, guys. Some of the questions, and I'll get to you guys in a minute. Let's get some fantastic questions in. Everybody ask a question. Ask a question, because I know there is one thing that every single person struggles with. I struggle with something. Every single trader has an issue that they struggle with. Something that they're struggling with. Ask away, because I'm here to help you, and I can maybe sort out your problem, and maybe, you know, that will change everything for you. So if you don't ask, you know, you're never going to get better. Not a dumb question. It's not a dumb question, trust me. Needs downtrend break. Yeah, this needs downtrend break on this. This needs a downtrend break. This needs a downtrend break. PHAT. PHAT, let's have a look. Nothing on this. This is a terrible chart. I don't know. Someone's asked me about this. They said, can you please do this? Can you please do this? Like 20 times. For me, it doesn't look great. I would avoid something like this. Very bearish. This is an extremely bearish chart. Look at this huge downtrend. Now more. See? Very, very bearish. So it's simple as that. Downtrend, bearish, no good, no bueno. Get the questions in. I want to see at least 50 questions today. 50 questions. Evening, CNSP. Did I go over CNSP? Yeah, I did. Ranging, year 11. Looks like you might be right on FIO. PHIO. PHIO is steady. Heading to 529. If you're up at least 10%, make sure you're taking profits as you go. SLRX got some volume. Let me have a peek at this bad boy. Everybody who's here, please do me a huge favor. It costs $0 to do this, and it means a lot for us. Please go and like up this video. Go and watch it when you get some time. We are giving you a lot of content. Go and watch it. Don't be lazy. I have to look at the levels here. 335, 335, 392, 3.92. 3.92 and then 445. So these are your levels right now. Okay, so right now. You need a break. Close above 335 would be nice. So what is this? This needs SLRX key levels. This looks good. I added on my watch list. I'll wait and see what happens at open. It gives me any setups. VSEE. Someone asked about that one. What's having VSEE? Ooh, all right. SLRX got some volume. AEMD. Let's have a look at AEMD. AEMD is nothing on AMD. Very, very, very low volume. I would avoid something like this unless there's volume that comes in, news, catalyst, whatever it might be. So yeah, nothing on this. Nothing on our AEMD, unfortunately. LUNR, this whole sector is getting rocked. Pretty much the whole market is. AI, Bitcoin, blockchain, quantum, all of them are coming down. But that's the cycle of the market. They come up and then they go down. They go up and they come down. That is how the stock market works. But in my opinion, I like AI sector for long term. That means if you buy it, you hold it for a long term. You do not look at it every 2 minutes, every week, every day. You wait and you leave it there for a few years, a few months at least. That is how you long term trade. You are not there to buy it and keep looking at it every 2 minutes, because that is not how you trade long term. If you're doing a different approach where you swing trade or day trading, then do that. If you're looking at long term, you do not care if it's down 30% tomorrow or 40% next week. You are holding it long term because you are looking on the larger time frames and looking at the larger picture, and you have a bullish outlook on the stock and the sector. That's it. Luna is in the demand zone. This is where buyers step in. Hopefully there is a good reversal coming up. JELD, that's a new one. JELD, I haven't seen this one before. What is this? Geld Weng, I'm assuming this is a China play. So let's look at this together. Who asked this? Mr. Ezzy, what do you think? What is your outlook? And everybody, what is your outlook? What do you think? And what is the trend on this stock? Is it going up? Is it in an uptrend? Is it in a downtrend? Or is it just ranging? I think it's clear, right, that we can see that it's in a strong downtrend. So in my opinion, something like this is something you avoid. You're not looking to buy it now because you don't know what's going to happen. It's coming down, 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 down. Let it find support. Let it break above the downtrend. Then I would say that would be a good entry point. But trying to enter now is not a good idea. The overall trend on this is extremely bearish, maybe 52-week low, all that kind of stuff. I'm not really that kind of trader. I don't base my entries on a 52-week low, indicators, all that kind of stuff. I look at the chart, trade it based on technicals. So this, based on technicals, is extremely bearish, low volume. I would avoid this, but if you like it and you like the stock or has news coming, and fair enough, then that is a different approach. But my technical analysis on this is not a very good one, unfortunately. Kappa like this, what's happening here? It's a very strange chart. There's not really much price action. If I had to take an entry, maybe above 161. Other than that, I would just leave it. XHG needs reversal. Yeah, it's easy. XHG is an extremely easy trade. Everybody, please listen up. Mr. D-Row, ready? Listen up. If the candle body closes above 187, you are taking the trade. You should not be in the trade now. If you're in it, sell it and wait for it to close above 187, because that is the highest probability you'll make money. Close above 187 or push up. If you've bought here or you bought here at 166, right? That is an incorrect entry, because now you are down, right? Probably what? 10% from here? 15%. I would have been out at 3%. But if you're going to hold down 15% and hope it's going to come up, you know, that's a very bad approach to trading, because you're probably going to lose a lot of times and try and average down, average down, average down. So yeah, I don't know. For me, 187 is your entry point. So XHG 187 break equals entry. XHG 187 break equals Everyone sleeping today or what? What's happening today? Everybody sleeping. Everybody sleeping. Why is AI sector cooked? I don't know if it's linked, right? I personally don't know if it's linked with the whole quantum sector, but they pretty much run hand in hand, I think. I know the NVIDIA CEO had something about that, and that's why the whole of quantum basically tanked. And as you know, he has a lot of impact, especially with that large company. So in my opinion, that is why it has pretty much got cooked down bad. Down bad. That is my only thought on it. Otherwise, I don't know. I haven't looked into the news, to be honest. Why is there 22 likes, 52 watching? Come on, guys. CLRB. SLRX halted up. Wow. During market. That's strange. Interesting. Keep an eye on that one. Let's have a killer week. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. CLRB. CLRB, nothing on this. 0.5. I mean, maybe above here. A lot of low volume now. If you want to take some entry, your stop loss would be, I guess, under the support here, 285. I believe the sector is affected by what something along the lines of AI is further away than us. Yeah, that's what it was, Kevin. Correct. Boxel. Boxel, nothing on this. I don't see anything on Boxel. I know it's up 11%, but yeah, I don't know. Nothing yet for me. Based on technicals, difficult to analyze what's going on. Yeah, difficult to analyze here. There's a lot of weird price action on this. CS conference to read some. Could Google Jensen CS conference to read some. Thank you for that. S hollow is moving. I see it. Here's hollow. 286, you can look for your entry. Maybe above 286. I see hollow moving, but you know, we know how hollow is. It's in every single sector. AI, blockchain, quantum. I don't know what the hell this company is. So this is your hollow chart for the free the bag holders. Free the bag holders. Let's go. Son long-term play? Yeah, for me, I believe that it's a long-term play, but that doesn't mean if you want to get in, you get in. AI theme, in my opinion, is long-term. I like AI for long-term. I think it has good potential. Do I think? I don't know anything about VST. Unfortunately, I can't give my outlook on that. I don't trade based on long term, so I don't know. But yeah, I don't know anything about the stock. I don't know anything about the company. I don't know anything about the financials. Unfortunately, I can't help you with that. Overall trend is bullish. That's what I can tell you. Therefore, it should continue to go up. That's it. That's what I would tell you. Yo, what up? FinV. FinV, absolutely no volume. Something like this is avoided personally. Yeah, nothing for me on this. If I had to take an entry for some reason, 736. Above 736, maybe you can look for an entry. Needs 736 break for entries. All right, 736 break equals entries. Right, what else is there? Let me just retweet this YouTube link, as I'm sure people are trying to join and all those things. So we'll see what's happening here. SMX. What's happening with SMX? SMX is down 28%. So I would avoid it personally. That means it's bearish. It's in a long downtrend right now. Yeah, nothing unless the downtrend. So SMX needs downtrend break for entries. Anything below equals no entries. You want to try and buy now, you can go ahead. Personally, I would not. I like Lay's. I think it's a great stock. I think it has a lot of potential. Holding the support well. Lay's is looking nice. Wow, it's unhalted. This thing's going nuts. This SLRX, it's unhalted. Pre-market. Afternoon, Tiger. GCTK. What is happening with GCTK? Can someone please explain to me? Because I think I got about 400 requests about it today alone. Very strange, very strange. I know it's up here. Right now we have absolutely nothing on this. So we had high volume here. Now we have low volume. Means no one is interested anymore, pretty much. Now we need to close above 0.21 if you look for entries. Personally, that's what I would do. Otherwise, yeah, nothing here. I don't know what's going on. Difficult, difficult, difficult. Okay, what is the next one? SLRX halted? Yeah, it's unhalted now. I don't know what on earth's going on with this thing. This thing is pretty insane. I don't know why it halted and then unhalted. That's very strange price action to see something like that. SLRX, PSP halted on Weeble. Yeah, it is. It's unhalted now. In my opinion, it's like when Elon said Tesla was too high in stock. Yeah, I mean, now also with, what's his name? Trump, he's not really pro EV, so it's also affecting. I mean, look, you can see Tesla right here. Look, Tesla's very bearish right now. Look, Tesla's right at support, so very bearish downtrend. Maybe it holds this level, but yeah, it's just the cycle of the market, guys. It's normal. If things go down and then they go up, they go down. When things go down, people think it's the end of the world. They think the market's dead. It's never going to come alive again. I just know that that's strange. Sana is very bearish, extremely bearish, extremely bearish, extremely bearish. Nothing on Sana. If you want to take an entry in Sana, maybe 526. It's a long way up, but yeah, you're gonna have to wait for that, unfortunately. BDTX, is this? Yeah, no, not the same stock. BDTX up 26%. Yeah, it's pushing up very nicely. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. 275 is your next resistance level on BDTX right now. It's broken this high, so it should continue. Let's see. This is room 2, 275. Looks like it's going to rain again here in Dubai. It was raining this morning when I was playing golf. Very odd, and I've seen it. X4. I'll just choose one of them. X4 is nothing on me in this. I don't really like this stock. 6.846. So X4 needs to pretty much close above here, to be honest with you. All right, guys. Yes, there are still spots open for the Discord. Someone's just DM me. ADTX. Andrew, I trade on to watch all the cheat shots. First time seeing this. It's halting every minute. Yeah, it's strange. It's unhalted now though. Ah, they are pumping it. MVST. I did like this last week, but then after that, it just got rocked. It's not great. To be honest, 273 maybe. Maybe above 273 you can look for entries. But right now it's just bearish. There's no point in fighting the trend. ADTX. Nothing. INDO. Indo, this is oil. This runs in the inverse of the market. So when the market's down, this goes up. So 353 break. Indo 353 break equals entries. The candle body must close above. I like to use the 5-minute time frame. Some people use the daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. Whatever. Tesla is my best short. Yeah, I would short under 377.5 or something it was. Oh, you're saying it is. I invest in AMC before bad news. Should I sell? So Kale, I'm going to teach you a little lesson. Some people might get bored and don't like hearing this, but you need to understand risk management. So you're asking me if you should sell or hold. Don't you think when you entered the trade, right, you should have had a stop loss and you should have had a target? Meaning when you entered the trade, you should have known, okay, I've entered the trade at say $5. My stop loss is going to be 5% from my entry, and my stop loss is going to be my target's going to be 5% from my entry. That means you're entering for a reason, okay? And now you have everything in place. You know when it gets down 5%, you'll sell it. If it goes up 5%, you will take some profits. That is how you trade. But if you're going to hold it just because of the news and you don't know why you got in, or you don't know where your target is, where your stop loss is, you know, that's a very, very difficult and very dangerous game to trade. So in my opinion, I think moving forward, what you should do is plan and understand why you've got into a trade, then have a stop loss wherever it is, and then have your target wherever it is, and then focus on that. If you're down 5%, cut it. If you're up 5%, take profits. As easy as that. Because trying to tell you where to sell, hold, all that stuff, I don't know. Personally, whenever I enter a trade, whether it's at support, resistance, wherever it is, 9 EMA, VWAP, I don't care. I sell at 3%. That is my stop loss. That's it. Every single trade again. Go with $1,000, I'll lose $30. That's 3% loss. That's as easy as I can explain to you. So I think moving forward, you should focus on a risk management plan that will help you with your trade. Yeah, SLRX is insane. I don't know what the hell is going on. No, tomorrow here. This is, everybody click on this link. This is it. There's the Forex Factory. Click on that. It tells you. So tomorrow we have PPI data. Wednesday we have CPI. Thursday we have unemployment claims. Cool, cool. And then, yeah, so it's a pretty hectic week in my opinion. We will have to wait and see how the market does do. Rig, it's the same as oil. They all go together. So I would focus, if you're going to look for oil, I would definitely focus on Indo instead of Rig and any other ones. TNXP is the other one that goes. So CPI is on Monday, tomorrow, sorry, Wednesday. Yes, this is the link to WAP. You have the 1 month or 3 month tier. There are more 3 month tiers left. No, there's not. There are more 1 month tiers than 3 month left. Sorry, the other way around. This is the link. Also, please do me a favor. Go and watch and like and comment on the new YouTube video that Hassi has posted. Please go and do that. It costs you absolutely nothing to do it. GRR, everyone's spamming me. GRR, GRR, GRR. Yes, I see it running. It's $14. I personally don't trade something like this. If I'm looking on a larger time frame, it is still bearish. It has not broken the downtrend. If you're looking for an entry, personally, I would wait for the downtrend to break. If you want to enter now, you can enter now. If you want to wait till later, you can wait till later. Up to you. You decide. You are in control of your trading account. Stock with Aaron, yeah, I know exactly right. Yobra, Indo 350. Nice. I hope it goes for you guys. Oil. I mean, I don't know. We'll see how the market does. Maybe tomorrow. Okay, WBA broke above. Got the wick fill. Is there any other key levels after this? Let's have a look. So I use the 4-hour time frame. You can see here and you can see up here. Then we can look left and see this is a daily gap fill. It looks like a gap fill. It is a gap fill. Very nice. So this WBA, is this Walgreens or is it a different stock? The Walgreens is going for the gap fill. This is a daily gap fill. Very nice. Daily gap fill just means the price can fill this gap to the upside. Gap down, fill gap down. All right. Yeah, it looks good though. WBA has a daily gap fill. I hope this runs though. This will be a nice one, but I'm not going to trade $11 stock. What else is moving here? Let's see. Hollow and DATS. Please don't tell me, Mr. David, you're trading these. But I see hollow is moving up. Hollow is moving up. Hollow is moving up. Free the bag holders. Free them all. Come on, hollow. Push the gas. Hollow. Free the bag holders. 286 breaks. This should get some serious momentum to the upside. DATs. I'm not interested in DATs, to be honest, but yep. Up to nothing unless 665. That's what I have as a level to watch. GCTK's strong downtrend. Hollow we saw. PHIO has that room to 529. I would definitely watch this play. It looks very nice. So we'll just have to wait and see how this one does do. Alright. ATPC. What time at ATPC? Nothing unless 267. Candle close above 267. You can look for an entry. Anything below, nothing. INTZ, I like this since open. I would say this is very nice for entries. Yeah, this looks good. DATS, yeah, I'm just going to remove DATS, not interested. XHG, 187 break above is your entry point, okay? Okay, good. ILLR, 7%. Nothing on this, to be honest with you. Not enough volume for me. Safest entries are above here. 320, right here. 320. Clean range to the upside above here. Because if you enter here, you have this in the way. Then you have this, this, and so on, right? So ILLR, wait for 320. Wait for 320 break to enter. Alright guys, a couple more stocks and then I will be done. I'm going to head into Discord. Got to sort out a few things for new members. PGHL, extremely bearish downtrend. Nothing on this unfortunately. No, NITO I have not. NITO, 26%. I'll add it to my watch list. I see a nice volume spike here. 216 break. So 216. So I just want to explain one thing, just one thing quickly, because I know a lot of people are new to trading and some people are very, you know, I don't know, in my opinion, it's very obvious to see, but some people struggle to identify it and understand it, but I will show you something. Needs 216 break. So someone's just asked me about GRR. Okay, this one here, right? So someone has asked me and they're saying because it's up 20%, it's bullish. Okay, and I wrote here that it is bearish. Based on the 4-hour time frame, this time frame that I have here, the 4 hours here, and you can see here. You can all see this as clear as day. I've not done any magic, that the trend of this stock is going down, right? This is a downtrend. We can all see that, right? It is not going up, right? This is in a downtrend. Whether you like it or not, it is in a downtrend. Now, listen, this is extremely, very, very complex stuff here, but I know you guys are smart, so you'll be able to understand this. Now, let's do this. Now, from the 4-hour time frame, we can identify it's bearish. Let's go to the 5-minute time frame. What is a 5-minute time frame saying? It is saying that it is now bullish. What does that mean? It means it is now going in an uptrend. So that means that based on the 5-minute time frame, it is bullish and it is going up. Based on the 4-hour, it is still bearish and there is a probability that it will come down. Why? Because we've rejected once here, twice here, 3 times, 4 times, and maybe the 5th time here. How do we know and confirm of the breakout? Is when a simple thing like this happens, when the candle body, this yellow rectangle, closes above the downtrend to confirm the breakout, and now the trend is going from a bearish trend to a bullish trend. So right now, based on the 4-hour, this is a bearish downtrend. you know? So that means that this is bearish. Yes, now if we switch to the 5 minute, we can see that it is going to bullish. It is bullish on the 5 minute, on the 15 minute, and the 30 minute. But on the 4 hour, it is still in a downtrend. It's easy to see that. But you know, when people get worked up on Twitter, which is very funny, is that they don't understand the basics of technical analysis. They're saying, oh, because the stock had this news, because of these contracts and all this. It's a load of trash. I don't care. I'm showing you what it means based on the technical chart. That is it. Whether the news is fantastic and bullish and great, I am sharing what I see on a larger time frame, and that right now is bearish. As simple as that. No need to complicate things, right? Clear as day. Mr. Stevie Wonder himself can open his eyes and see that as well, that it's in a downtrend. All right? Until that downtrend breaks, then it will become bullish. But people who, you know, combat what I have to say or something, I don't mind. People can give their input. But when it's clear like that, you know, but when someone's trying to give me the news and why it's up and all that, you know, that's when people they have a different trading style. They, based on long term, they're invested in the company emotionally and they care about it. When someone says they don't like the stock, or, you know, it hurts their feelings. They're very soft people. So for me, that's why I trade a stock. I don't care about the news. I don't care about the company. I don't care about the CEO. I don't care why it's running. I base myself on simply price action, and that's it. You know? So ZJK, I don't really like this, but yeah, maybe above $12. Above $12, above $12. Right, last one, and then I'm going to head out. No problem. SVMH dropped 35%. Not good, not good, not good, not good. Trends can be different on different time frames. Exactly, and that's exactly what I just explained. TTSL, I hope you learned and heard what I was talking about earlier, but I know that you do understand what I talked about earlier, but if you did listen or you joined late, then all I said was simply with GRR. So if you did join late, right, I'm assuming you did, I said on the 4 hour, we can see that this trend is bearish. But I said on the 5 minute, it is bullish. It's in an uptrend. As well as the 15 minute, it is bullish. Based on the 30 minute, it is also bullish. But based on the chart that I posted and the chart that we can see here, we can all see clear as day that this is going down, right? Unless this trend breaks above this downtrend, that confirms that the trend is now going to be bullish. As easy as that. I struggle with knowing when the perfect time to take profits. So you've asked when the perfect time. So I'll be very honest with you, and to be honest, you know, you need to learn this. There is no perfect time to take profits. There's no best way to take profits. Not even your favorite Furu, not even the AI bots, all these algorithm things and all your favorite guys that tell you on stock twits and this price target and all this. There is no perfect time to take profits, okay? That is why you need to understand before even putting money into the market, before putting money into your account, if you want to become a day trader or whatever you're doing in terms of trading, you need to understand something, which is risk management. When you enter a trade, you need to have a stop loss and you need to have a target. For me, when I enter a trade, I know every single time when I enter a trade, I'm aiming for my 5% target. If it goes up 5%, I will sell 50% of my position. If it goes up 10, 15, 20, 30, 40%, I will keep scaling out the rest when I am happy. You can never sell right at the top. You can never sell right at the bottom or buy at the bottom and all the perfect time. It's impossible. I'm sorry, but it is impossible, and no one can tell you what price it is, what a stock's going to be next week, tomorrow, 2 weeks, in 10 minutes. Don't get caught up in stuff. Enter a trade, have your target, and take your profits from there. That's it. You cannot be upset with having a game plan. But if you're going to enter a trade and get upset because you sold too early or this, have the same thing. Have a plan. Enter a trade, have your target, have your stop loss, and that's it. Can't be upset with that at all. All right? If you always sell too early, very simple. Sell 90% of your position at where you always do. So if you're in the position now or you're in a trade, let me sell it. And this is where you always sell it. Hold 10%. If it keeps going up, fantastic. You've broken through the barrier of now you are getting confident with taking profits, right? But you're holding now for that extra maybe 3-4% that you weren't given previously because you would sell it all. Easy as that. Head out where I'm going to go into the Discord, and I will be doing live trading there where I'll be giving alerts and setups for all the Discord members. So if you want to join, you are welcome to join. It will be posted here. All right, guys, fantastic day, evening, afternoon. I will catch you all tomorrow. Peace out.